Hi, my name is Elizabeth Miller, and the type of agency where I'm completing my field placement is a nonprofit agency. It's currently where I'm employed. I'm just doing my field placement with a completely different program. Um, what I'm the most excited about is my field placement instructor. He's been known to be a really great teacher, and I'm excited to learn a lot from him. What do I expect from my field placement is learning a completely different program that I don't have experience with. I'm doing family functional therapy, and I have no prior experience with family therapy, or actually, I don't have any specific knowledge of FFT, and so I'm excited to learn the model. Um, what has me most concerned is being able to balance between work and home and field placement, making sure that it's all done and that everything is done well. Um, but both my supervisor at work and my field placement instructor and my family are really great. And so I plan on managing the excitement versus the concerns with their support and being able to have some time for myself and self care and just having realistic expectations. Thank you.